This is why I made my Australia Mushroom Mystery series to help you speak English. You do not get fluent by studying English quietly. You get fluent by using English with your ears and with your mouth, with listening and speaking. Most learners sit down to read, memorize, and watch a video, but their mouth never moves. Their brain is working, but nothing comes out of their mouth. Even when learners listen to a lesson, something important is still missing. If they do not speak, the ears are active, but the mouth is silent. The brain is busy, but the tongue is not. The silence does not build fluency. Real English improves when sound comes into your ears and goes out through your mouth. This is the natural pathway of fluency. When you listen to English, especially a story, your brain absorbs rhythm, stress patterns, grammar, and natural speech. You don't notice even that you're learning. It is like giving your English a daily vitamin. But when you listen and speak, even small sentences spoken out loud each day, you feel you begin to feel more comfortable and more confident. And that is why I created the Australia Mushroom Mystery series. It's not a textbook. It's a real case that happened here in Australia and it's still happening. And people around the world are talking about it. When you watch the series from episode 1 to 7, you follow the real story. And at the same time, you train your listening and your speaking in a simple, natural way. In every episode, we listen first. Then I guide you to speak. Not to copy, not to memorize, but to let English move through your ears and come out through your mouth. A few minutes a day is enough. Your pronunciation becomes smoother, your rhythm becomes more natural, your confidence slowly grows. If you understand English but cannot speak, this method is perfect for you. If you can read well but cannot follow conversations, this method will help you. And if your pronunciations feel slow and unnatural, and this will gently reset your rhythm. Start with episode 1 of Australia's Mushroom Mystery. Put on your headphones, listen closely, and speak aloud with me. Let English become a sound in your daily life. Let your ears learn. Let your mouth move. That's how fluency grows. When you're ready, click episode 1 and let's begin.